What's up, y'all? It's Black Sunflower. Back at it again, doing the list, whatever. Anyways, today I have an eyeliner tutorial with me. So if you guys want to know how I do my eyeliner, this is basically my eyeliner. I'll insert other pictures of my eyeliner because I know how to do eyeliner or whatever. But yeah, that's that on that. I'm not wearing false eyelashes today. And to be honest, I'm really digging the look. I'm digging the vibe. Like, yes, get it. Anyways, as you guys can see, oh, hold on. Anyways, child. As you guys can see, I did slit my eyebrow. Tell me about it. Okay. Cut. Anyways, I did a tutorial on how to do my eyeliner. So if you guys want to watch that, please watch the video or whatever. Yeah, I'm Black Sunflower. Bye. Okay, so boom, yeah, I am with my wig slipping, guys. Please buy me a new wig. Please, I am begging you. I need a new wig. I am tired of this one. Anyways, let's go with the tutorial. First, I'm using the Catrice black eyeliner. I use the one where you have to dip it in the pot, not like the pen one, because I hate the pen ones. The pen ones never get it dark enough. So yeah, I use the ones where you kind of have to dip or whatever. And yeah, so basically I just see where I want to make my wing. My eyes have different shapes, but I definitely do have hooded eyes, so you guys want to keep that in mind. So yeah, just pull a line of where you want the eyeliner to be, like the tail. First the tail, get that right, and then just darken the tail if you need to. Yeah, I just went over it again like so. As you guys can see, I am making sure that the tail is very dark because I think this is important. Like, the more colored in your tail is, the darker it's going to appear. Okay, as you guys can see, I am looking up to see how it look if I looked up, because that is also important. Okay, so now I'm just dragging a piece of the tail to the base of my eye, just like that. And you want to color this in as well. Or your second option would be to extend the base part. You guys understand what I'm saying? To extend it to where you want it to be. I do my eyeliner in many different parts because number one, I have hooded eyes, and number two, my hands are very shaky. In the beginning, I rested my fingers on my cheeks because my hands are so shaky. And yeah, I'm doing the other eye. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over everything again. I'm starting off with the tail. Okay, for this eye, you really want to make sure that your wings are not symmetrical, but they are the same shape, because people will notice, and you will notice if your wings are in the same shape as the other eye. Well, mine were a little off, a tiny bit off, because my eyes are different shapes and they are not symmetrical, but I'm pretty sure people won't notice, and I won't notice it if I looked faster myself, so that's good. Yeah, I'm taking the liner from the tail and I'm moving it to the base, just connecting the base to that part which I just drew over my eye. And for me, it's very important to color in the part I just drew, and to make sure that it's dark and black, because I like my eyeliner dark. Okay, for this part, I am just making sure that the edge is connected. Like the end of the tail is connected with the rest of the tail. And then also the inner eye is connected, so it all goes smooth and nice. Please make sure that the thickness of your eyeliner is like continuous from the inner eye to like the outer eye and to the tail. This is the best of how I could explain it at the moment. And here I am with my eyeliner done and my makeup done. And for this part, I'm just gonna do my inner corners because I like the fox eye trend, or like the feline eye trend. I don't know what people call it, what you may call it, but yeah. And I just want to show you something over here. I messed up because I closed my eyes too quickly, and over here you can see the black dot. And over here I was feeling awkward because I didn't have the right outfit to match makeup. But anyways, child, we move. So here's me posing, trying to feel cute or whatever. And bam, another picture. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that, period, because I'm entertaining. You're gonna have to enjoy it. By the way, do you see the fake moles? This is fake moles. This is like what the TikTokers do or whatever. No, the professional makeup artists, not the TikTokers. They be doing other things. But guys, that's all from me, Black Sunflower. Please like and subscribe. Got 26 subscribers. I'm so excited. Like, I was so happy when I found out. Anyways, have a good evening. God bless you. I wish you all the best. Good luck for whatever you guys are gonna do after this video. My prayers are with you guys. So like, yeah, bye, stay blessed. I love you all so much. Bye.